Hey everyone, in today's video I want to talk about how to make more money from your affiliate leads. As an affiliate marketer, your job is to drive traffic to your affiliate links, so hopefully some of those people will end up buying and you'll make a commission. Now, in order to give yourself the best chance of success, you need to build an email list so that you can then follow up with your prospects, and you do this by sending them to an opt-in page where you offer them a free gift in exchange for their email address. The object here is to build a list of prospects that you can follow up with by sending emails, and hopefully get your prospects into the front end of the sales funnel where you offer a low cost entry product. Now, in today's video, I want to talk about what happens with your prospect once they have purchased the initial low cost front end introductory offer. Well, the idea now is to try and maximize the value of your new customer. This means giving them the option to buy additional products at the point of sale where they were offered the low cost entry offer. The idea being to increase your profit. So how do you do this? Well, that's what I'm going to talk about in today's video. But first of all, I'd like to welcome you to my channel. My aim is to provide you with good quality, trustworthy information that will help you to succeed online as an affiliate marketer. So if you enjoyed today's video, please do subscribe to my channel and keep your eye out for my latest videos. I try and post 2 new videos each week. Okay, let's move on to today's topic: how to make more money from your affiliate leads. Okay, so once you've converted your lead into an actual paying customer through the low cost entry offer, you now want to be in a position to offer them additional products, and these additional offers will be made just after they've purchased the original low cost entry products. These type of offers are often known as upsells, and for you as an affiliate marketer, these extra offers will mean more potential profit. Now, there are a few things for you to take on board here. It's important that any upsells made are optional. What I mean by this is that your customer decides not to purchase the upsell offer. This must in no way detract from the value of the initial low cost entry product they just purchased. The idea of an upsell is to add value to the initial low cost entry product, but it's not essential. Generally, the upsell offer will be a higher price than the low cost entry product, normally anywhere from say $20 up to $300. There are no hard and fast rules here, but that gives you an idea. So what type of products are used as upsells? Well, generally with an online business, this will normally be a digital product. The reason for this is that digital products have higher profit margins as there are no production costs. You create the product once and you can sell them over and over again. Now, there are 2 types of upsells that can be used to increase the customer spend at the point of sale. The first is what's known as an order form bump, and the second is what we call an OTO, one-time special offer. Basically, an order form bump is an additional offer that appears on the order form of the initial low cost entry offer. The new customer can choose to add this to their order before completing payment. The one-time offer is made to the customer immediately after they complete the purchase of the original low cost entry offer. By making these additional offers, whether it be an order form bump or a one-time offer, the idea is to increase the value the customer receives, and in return this will increase the profit you will make from your new customer. This will of course help to recover some, if not all, of the cost to acquire the customer in the first place. As an affiliate marketer, there's always a cost to acquire a new customer. It could be a cost of time or money, depending on whether you're using paid traffic or free traffic. But remember, there's always some cost to you as the affiliate. Now, as an affiliate marketer, you do not need to worry about creating these additional upsell offers. That of course is all down to the business whose products you choose to promote. However, I wanted to explain the process so you understand how it all works, because it's important for you as an affiliate marketer to find the right affiliate partner. This really can make or break your chances of success. You do not want to partner with someone who will only pay you a commission on the original low cost entry product as this will make it extremely difficult, if not impossible, for you to make a profit. To be successful, you want to find an affiliate partner who will pay you a commission on multiple products or services which they will offer your new customer through their sales funnel. So how do you go about finding the right affiliate partner? Well, they do exist, and you will need to do a little research here, but it's important if you want to be successful as an affiliate marketer. Now, if you look below in my description, you'll see a link where you can register for a free online presentation where my mentor, a hugely successful affiliate marketer, will show you how he's using a little known method of giving away something for free, which leads to him making $1,000 plus commissions. And at the end of the training, he'll actually give you the opportunity to partner with him and use his complete sales funnel so you'll get paid commissions on all his offers, from the low cost entry products, the upsells, right through to the higher ticket back end offers where you can make $1,000 plus commissions. So I recommend you take the time to go below and click the link and register for this free online presentation and at least see what it's all about. Now, hopefully you enjoyed today's video, and if so, please do me a favour and click the like button. Also, please do leave a comment below this video as I appreciate your feedback. And make sure you go below and click the link and register for the free online presentation. Thank you.